Hi there, it's Vicki Ross with ZenZone, and this is project number 4 in the ZenZone series. And I thought I would explain to you how I create compositions for paintings. It's kind of a wiki created method of using what Leonardo did and the Greek architects and those kind of folks who knew what they were doing. So anyway, I took what they did and made it usable for me in a fairly quick fashion so that I can get an idea what I want my composition to look like. On Sunday, you'll get the project introduction with what we're working on, and Mondays, the video will be released, the project video of me painting it. And Tuesdays in my live at 3:30 Central Time, ish, we'll have a Q&A where you can ask questions, and then we'll just do a freestyle after that if y'all are so good that you've already got it down. And then I'll be doing my usual Thursday live with a freestyle project, just something relaxing that I want to work on. So I said all that to say that this is the project that I will be composing. And I will be giving you the grids. They're black lines on a clear background. And I give you those grids in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. They should work in any photographic program that allows layers. So you can actually play along with me. I'll give you the 4 source photos that I use to decide what to put in the painting. And then the second half of this video is going to be a casing painting that I did and modeled after Leonardo da Vinci, and how I used his painting and my grids to be able to replicate that layout, that composition. So without further ado, we'll be back in a minute. Alrighty. Number 4, week number 4 in ZenZone 4 is composition, Lilies Composition. What I'm going to do here is give you 4 or 5 photos that are mine, and you're free to use them. I just appreciate you giving me credit if you do. I started with photographs in front of the house and then show you how I play with grid lines that come from the ancient Greeks and the ancient artists like Leonardo da Vinci. And it's my method for doing it, and I've used it for several years, and I still use it. And I don't follow it like gospel, but it sure does help get me started. So I go through all the process with you. And here are the printables that go with it. I've given you pictures of the original flowers that I took. And you can use any 2 you want. 3. And then here is a picture of my final layout. And this is what the layout looked like with one of the grids. You'll be able to see it when you print it. The grids are a computer digital variation of having a sheet of acetate with grid lines on it in black. So you can use any software. I've got grids for Photoshop and the same grids in a different file for Photoshop Elements. And any image editing program that you use that allows you to use grids can be used with this process. So that is, let's see, at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how I used a Da Vinci painting to plan another one of my paintings in real time. So, well, not in real time. I mean, yeah, I've already filmed the girl, so. Whew. Anyway, and then the second week of this one will be the actual painting of the lilies, and that will be talked about later. So that's it for this, for number 4.